Mastering Antonyms, Unlocking Academic English. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our series on advanced vocabulary in academic English. Today, we're going to delve into a vital aspect of language understanding: antonyms. But not just any antonyms. We're going to focus specifically on antonyms in an academic context. So let's get started. Antonyms are words that have opposite meanings. They're the yin to another word's yang, and they're crucial to providing contrast and enriching your language use. In an academic context, antonyms can help clarify complex ideas and show different sides of an argument. Take, for example, the words comprehensive and limited. Comprehensive suggests that something is fully inclusive, covering all or nearly all elements or aspects of something. The word limited, on the other hand, suggests that something is not fully inclusive, with restrictions in place. These two words are antonyms, providing contrast to each other in a sentence or paragraph. Now that we understand what antonyms are, let's delve into why they're so important in academic English. 1. Clarity. First and foremost, antonyms provide clarity. By understanding the opposite of a word, we can more fully understand its meaning. In a complex academic argument, this can be vital to comprehension. 2. Emphasis. Antonyms are also powerful tools for emphasis. Using them can help to emphasize a point or idea by showing what it is not. 3. Variety. Antonyms can add variety to your writing. Instead of using the same words over and over, you can use antonyms to keep your language interesting and engaging. 4. Argumentation. Finally, antonyms can help you present a balanced argument. By acknowledging the antonyms of your points, you show a deep understanding of the subject and demonstrate that you've considered all sides of the argument. The key to using antonyms effectively is understanding the context. For example, the antonyms abstract and concrete have different implications in a philosophical text compared to a civil engineering paper. Therefore, always consider the broader themes and arguments of your work when choosing antonyms. Also, it's important to use antonyms to show a contrast or present a balanced argument. For instance, if you're arguing that a certain theory is effective, you might also discuss situations where it might be ineffective. This use of antonyms demonstrates a nuanced understanding of the topic. That wraps up our exploration of antonyms in academic English. By now, you should have a firm understanding of what antonyms are, why they're important, and how to use them effectively in your academic writing and communication. Remember, language is a tool, and antonyms are a powerful part of that toolset. So, next time you write an academic paper or engage in academic discussions, make use of antonyms to clarify your points, emphasize key arguments, and demonstrate your thorough understanding of the topic. Until next time, keep learning and happy studying.